Shaking team, you already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Just wanted to come through and show y'all. I definitely picked up my Nexen N5000 tires. They're all season, to a degree, kind of directional. I mean, because on a tire, it's a part that says outside and inside, so you have the tire like facing the right way. So for me, that I guess would be how they mark it as directional. As you see, 245, 45, 18. These are the next versions that come after the N7000s that I used to have. I believe those were discontinued, so you already know the future's right here. M5000. Some really good reviews. I haven't used these tires myself as far as like riding on them or driving in them, so I would like to see what they ride like, what they feel like. But I do like Nexen's overall, so I'm kind of excited to see what's going on. Definitely want to see what they feel like. I love the N7000s, so now to come and see what these feel like, I'm hoping there's nothing short of what I already know. So let's go, team. Let's get this to the shop. Rims is done. Let's get it popping. Team, you already know, keeping y'all in the loop. You know what I mean? It's time to load it up. Got the trunk pack. I think it's a game, B. Tires on deck. Other rim, tires, front seat. Just need to throw the seatbelt on that shit and we good. So let's go do what we do. I'll link y'all when we get to the shop. Everything golden. We getting started at the shop. Already taking the tires and stuff off, and then we on the inside getting everything in order. So you already know, team, I keep y'all up to snuff. Fresh. Gotta wipe those down though. So getting it balanced. Let's go. Y'all already know, team. Plays no games with it. Fresh tires, fresh rims. We in here. Team. Y'all already know. Setup is coming along perfect. Perfect. Big difference, man. Ooh, them red joints. I'll wait and put my wheel locks on in a minute. Dolly, but yeah, fire. Yeah, y'all already see what it is, team. New setup. Now I just gotta see exactly how, get around this pole right here, exactly how I want it as far as ride height, because it's sitting well. Just want to see if we could get a little bit more low and keep everything fitment and functional. Just in case anybody went with these rims, and let's just say you bought them offline and they didn't have the hub centric rings. Yeah, I put them on already. They're behind the hub ring right here, so this will fit and it's not loose. This would be the part number that you're looking for. Well, that would be at the 73mm. Booyah. And then I locked my rims down with my McGuard wheel locks. Fucks with them. OD good reviews. And I've been using them for like the past 15, 17 years I had a car. So, yeah, team. We in here. Locked down real right, real right. Let's go. Let's take it for a drive. So let me check the air pressure, make sure everything is just how I like it. And we looking good, team. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment. Definitely hit that subscribe button, team. We in the building, keeping you in the loop. Stay locked and loaded, Abuse VQ team. We in here.